Hello and welcome to this tutorial on KivyMD. In this tutorial, we will be exploring what KivyMD is, how it works, and why it is such a useful library for developing beautiful and functional applications. KivyMD is a library for the Kivy framework, which is a Python framework for developing multi-touch applications. KivyMD builds on top of Kivy and provides a set of widgets and other user interface elements that are styled according to the material design guidelines. Material design is a design language developed by Google that emphasizes clean, simple, and consistent design principles. It is used widely in Android applications and is becoming increasingly popular in other platforms as well. KivyMD makes it easy to create applications that look and feel like they were designed using material design. It provides a wide range of widgets including buttons, labels, text fields, sliders, and more, all of which can be customized and styled to fit your specific needs. One of the key benefits of using KivyMD is that it makes it easy to create cross-platform applications. Because KivyMD is built on top of Kivy, which is itself cross-platform, you can develop applications that run on Windows, Mac operating system, Linux, iOS, Android, and more, all using the same code base. Another benefit of using KivyMD is that it is highly customizable. You can adjust the color scheme, fonts, and other design elements to create a unique look and feel for your application. In addition to the widgets and user interface elements, KivyMD also provides a range of tools and utilities that makes it easier to develop applications. These include support for animation, theming, and working with icons. Overall, KivyMD is a powerful library for developing beautiful and functional applications, whether you are building a mobile app, a desktop application, or something in between. KivyMD can help you create a great user experience with minimal effort. That's it for this introduction to KivyMD. In the next tutorial, we will dive deeper into the library and explore some of its key features in more detail. Thanks for watching.